Hey, how's it going? So in my last video, I installed my brand new tires. They all came complete. It was the tires, the rims, and the sensors. In this video, I'm going to cover linking the sensors to your car's computer. So initially what I did everything like everybody else. I went to YouTube, find out what everybody's doing and how to do it. Almost all the mechanics online were saying, just do it yourself. It's super easy, takes a couple minutes, probably a $10 to $20 tool. So that's what I did. So I went on Amazon and bought this tool. It cost me $10. It took a couple days to get to me, and then it took about 2 minutes from the very beginning of touching the buttons on the switch panel to reset the TPMS, to going around and touching each tire with that tool, to hearing the final horns tell me that it was complete. 2 minutes. So coming up right now is the video that I took of me doing that procedure. You'll quickly see it doesn't take that long. So now that you've seen how quickly it takes, and that it's only like a $10 tool that you can get on Amazon, this one specifically says it works on all GM vehicles. But I'm here to tell you that if you have a 2015 Camaro, it will work. Initially, I called around to find out how much it cost to even do this. I called a Chevy dealer. He wanted it $200 for it. And then when he found out it was aftermarket rims, he immediately said no, because they didn't do the work. Other mechanics were going to charge about $200 as well. So I think it's worth $10 and a couple minutes of your time to at least see if you can do it before spending the big money and having one of the big tire shops or mechanics or dealerships do it. So I hope this helped you, and I'll see you around next time.